Solar power has the potential to meet all of humanity's electricity needs, and governments worldwide are racing to expand renewable energy. But there's a hidden challenge. Large solar farms often require massive deforestation, removing one of Earth's most important natural carbon sinks. In South Korea alone, thousands of hectares of forest have been cleared in recent years for solar installations. This creates a paradox, fighting climate change while destroying ecosystems. But a new innovation could change that: the solar tree. Designed like real trees, these structures hold solar panels in a branching canopy, allowing sunlight to reach plants below while still generating electricity. A new study in South Korea showed that solar trees could generate the same power as flat-panel solar farms while preserving 99% of the surrounding forest. By protecting biodiversity and cutting land costs, solar trees may become a key solution in balancing clean energy and conservation. The future of renewable power may not just be in fields of panels, but in forests of solar trees.